Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you one more creamy based mocktail. The mocktail name is Green Punch. How to make green punch? First of all, take a glass. Then you have to add some ice cream into the take a glass. Then you have to pour like 30 ml of pista crush. Okay. After that, you have to pour 20 ml of vanilla syrup. You can pour. Then you have to simply you can add ice cream also vanilla ice cream if you are having. Then you have to pour that like pista milk. See. After that you have to shake all the ingredients properly. Take a type of fancy glass and you can garnish with some mint leaf. Your green punch mocktail is ready. Very simple mocktail, creamy based mocktail. You can try. This is the green punch with the combination of vanilla syrup, pista milk, and pista crush. I hope you like this mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video.